Vastu, an important factor while buying a house. Hello friends, Vastu is important and considered to be the preference of end users. These days considering Vastu is also important because the layouts, directions are sometimes lacking Vastu. The principal and main parameter is the architecture and the directions. In real estate as well, the Vastu is considered to be the main parameter, and flats and residencies are being planned after consulting the Vastu expert only. People who believe and construct the home under the guidance and as per the direction of Vastu bring a lot of positive energy and general well-being for the owner. Vastu tips for homes. The most important place in the house is its entrance, which should be east-facing, as this is known as auspicious direction. The north direction of the house should not be blocked, as this is known for prosperity. Slop should be directed from south to north or from west to east direction. In terms of decor, no cactus plant should be there, and hinges should not make much noise. Specifically for bedroom, it should be in the southwest direction. Sleeping direction should always be south. Bedroom should always be clutter-free, and where you put your head be clean and neat. Children room, it should be constructed in the northwest direction of the house. Sticking the furniture over the wall stops positive energy. Very loud colors are not for kids' room. The study table should be placed in a way the child faces the east, north or northeast corner of the room. The computer should be placed at the southwest corner. Vastu tips for the kitchen. Southwest or northwest direction is best for kitchen. Cooking should be done east-facing. Cross ventilation is a must. For bathroom, northwest is the best direction for washroom. Ventilation is a must. If there are any sanitary fittings or broken tiles, be it kitchen or washroom, should be repaired on an immediate basis. Broken stuff is not good anywhere. It is very important to keep the bath area and washroom very neat and clean. Dirt always attracts negative energy. Living room. North direction is best for living room. Air condition should be placed in the west direction or southeast direction of the house. The number of chairs should always be even, no uneven furniture should be placed in the house. It is not good for prosperity. South and west corners are good for keeping furniture. In the real estate market, Vastu has become a very important factor, and the bigger projects are based on the proper guidelines. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.